Hello, how's it going? Paul here at Sculpterra Winery. Today we're discussing the first practice of a new year in the vineyard, and that is where you have to prune the vines. And it's really crucial that the pruning's done right the first time, because when you prune, it'll affect the next process of bud break and shoot growth and cluster development. One important thing is spacing. When you prune, you want to make sure that the spurs that you leave behind are all spaced apart adequately, and that spacing will allow each cluster to grow and develop in its own space. That way you won't have clusters growing into each other, crowding one another. Light, of course, is really important. If you can expose your clusters to the sunlight, that'll enable the fruit to get ripe really easily, and in turn the grapes will taste very sweet, and you'll get more of that intense, concentrated red varietal characteristic in these grapes. The most important thing is to not leave too many spurs on the vine, and then not to take all that many away. If you prune too hard, you won't have hardly any fruit. If you prune too heavy, you'll have way too much fruit. So it's a balance, and being said, in that balance, a balanced vine pruned right will make a balanced wine at the end. And it all starts with this very first process of the season, and with the pruning of the vines.